Saints are also sinful. You will say, what do you mean? Sinful, saint, this should be opposites. Well, if you trust the saints, and if you don't think that the saints lie, you ask the saints. And they will tell you that they are sinful people. They will tell you that they are the greatest of all sinners. If you ask a saint about their spiritual affairs, they will tell you that they are the most sinful person in the world. What is the opposite of a sinful saint? Is the person who points out to others and calls them sinners and considers him or herself perfect. That's the opposite of the saint. The sinner is not the opposite of the saint. And so, how do we identify who is a saint and who is not? As I said, it's a secret. You don't know if you are a saint, I don't know if I am a saint, and I don't know if anyone is a saint. Who knows who is a saint? Only God is the reader of hearts. And that's why Christ our Lord said, do not judge. Do not judge. Because other people's spiritual affairs are secret. They are hidden from you.